Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to edit videos from Inshot app. So go click on the Inshot app, just click on the video and select video from your gallery. I'm going to select that one video and wanted to edit this video. I'm going to increase the speed of my this video, just going to this 150, and you can just see the time that I wanted 55 seconds video or in just under 1 minute, so I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, now you can see the canvas button. You can also select the canvas from there. You can ratio for your videos 1:2, 2:1, or anyone you want to fix it. Okay, then click on the right button. You can add music from there. If you click the music button, then you will select music from there, featured videos in this app. Or you can also select the video from my music if you have music in your phone, so you can select from there. Or effects, you want to add effects from there, so you should take. Okay, now the third option is sticker. If you want to apply sticker from your video, so you can pick from this. You just click on the sticker button, and whatever you want, just select on it. Okay, so text one, so you should apply the text from there. And the detailing one, so you should blur anything you want. If you what you want to, so you will blur from there. Okay, just click on it if you want to blur anything. I don't want to blur anything in this video, so I'm going to just pause it right now, because this is the video I'm going to tell you how to edit this video. Okay, just you can see the text button again. If you want to type any kind of text, you should apply from there. Filters, any kind of filter you want to apply, just select from there and click the right button. Okay, pip, so just edit from there. Okay, so what is the split? Delete. If you want delete anything from this video, you should delete it. If you have so many videos and you wanted to delete someone, so you should click on it and click the delete button. It will be deleted. Background, you should blur the background if you wanted, so click on any kind of blur button. How want you blur your video, and you should also select from any color of background what you want, or these are the backgrounds. Okay, the third thing is speed. I'll tell you the speed, how to animation, crop, cap opacity, volume speeds, replace, and there is so many more options. You should use it and it will be easy for you to use. Okay, if you like this video, just click a thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.